No. Now, what about histology? Histology, uh, in histology of COC. Okay, anyway, it is a cyst. Now we are going to learn in the name of lumen, lining, and capsule. Okay, we are going to see the lumen. Lumen. What is there in the lumen? There is no significant finding in the lumen of the COC. There is no significant finding. So next we see the lining. Lining. Now, about the lining of COC, there are certain important things you should learn. Okay, what is there in the lining of COC? Okay, lining, the lining of COC is again 6 to cell 8 a cell thick lining you can see, and you can see the basal cell layer. Basal cell layers here will look like amyloblast. They will look like amyloblast. Now, how a amyloblast look like? You know how a amyloblast look like? It is a tall columnar cell. It's a tall columnar cell with a nucleus, hyperchromatic nucleus with a reverse polarity. Means the nucleus is towards the apical portions. Okay, so nucleus is towards the apical portion. So we are seeing amyloblast like cell. They are tall columnar cells with a hyperchromatic nucleus, dark blue nucleus. That is hyperchromatism. They are hyperchromatic nucleus with a reversal polarity. Reversal of polarity means the nucleus is towards the upper side. Okay, so this is the basal layer, the feature of basal layer. They look like amyloblast. And the superficial layers, okay, the superficial layers, how will they look like? They look like stellate reticulum. So stellate reticulum like cells. Now you may have heard about stellate reticulum, you may have heard about amyloblast when you read ameloblastoma, right? Ameloblast like cell, stellate reticulum. And the important feature in this is that some cells in the stellate reticulum, they only have a cytoplasm. They don't have a nucleus. Okay, so there are certain cells which have only a pink cytoplasm. They are pink in color. They are pink in color means they are eosinophilic. Eosin is pink, blue is hematoxylin, right? So just a pink cells, they'll have the cell outline, they have the cytoplasm. Okay, they only have cytoplasm. There is cytoplasm which will appear pink, but there is no nucleus. No nucleus means they don't have life in it. Okay, nucleus gives the life. So they have only the outline. They don't have nucleus. So they are ghost. Okay, so they are ghost cells. So you are seeing ghost cells in this. So that is the peculiarity of COC. We are seeing ghost cells. Okay, the ghost cells. The important thing is that you have to identify ghost cell in the diagram or the image. Okay, this is an image-based question. COC usually asks us IBQ, image based question. So I will show you the image here. Okay, see this image. Okay, I hope this picture is very clear to you. You can see it. I have magnified it for you. Okay, so you are seeing, can you see this? This is the epithelial lining here, and you see the basal layer. See this part. See this part. So that is the basal layer, and you can see that the nucleus is very dark blue, and they are tall columnar cells. They are arranged in the same line with a reversal of polarity. So these are ameloblast like cells. You are seeing a ameloblast like basal cells you are seeing. Okay, and above that you can see some kind of stellate reticulum like cells. And can you see this structure? Can you see this structure which I am outlining? Okay, which I am outlining. They don't have any nucleus. They are just pink globules. Are you seeing this? The pink globules inside, they are just, see, can you see? There is no nucleus inside that. They are just pink, or we say pink globules. Okay, pink globules. They don't have any nucleus. These are ghost cells. Yeah, these are ghost cells. This is ghost cell. So identify ghost cell in the diagram. You should be able to identify. Please look this image very carefully. This is the IBQ. IBQs are image-based questions. Okay, these are ghost cell. These ghost cell actually by time they calcify. Okay, by time they calcify, that is causing the calcifying odontogenic cyst. Okay, that is the reason for this calcification. These ghost cells, there's so much theories about this ghost cell. Some say that this is enamel proteins, some say that it is keratin, some say that this is dystrophic calcification. So many theories are behind this ghost cell. Okay, why these ghost cells are coming? But important thing you should know, there is presence of ghost cell, there is ameloblast like lining, and there is ghost cell. So this is the histology of COC. Okay, I hope this is clear. The one another thing you should know, there was a question in the previous NEET examination. Okay, now a cyst which resembled a cyst which resemble ameloblastoma. Ameloblastoma. Now, you know why this question came here. What is the significance of this question? Because just like ameloblastoma, you are seeing ameloblast-like cells here, right? You are seeing stellate reticulum here. So you know that in ameloblastoma, you see ameloblast, you see stellate reticulum. You can see the video of ameloblastoma. We will discuss ameloblastoma. Okay, so you can see that video and see how ameloblastoma look like. Okay, so the same lining, the same type of lining you can see here. So this is a cyst which is resembling an ameloblastoma. So the question was a cyst which resemble ameloblastoma. Your answer should be COC because of the basal lining. Okay, because of the stellate reticulum. And you have extra what you see, ghost cells. Okay, now there is one another point I should like to give you. Is ghost cells only seen in COC? What are the lesions which show ghost cells? Okay, so this is a very important question. Okay, so many lesions are there where you can see ghost cells. Okay, what are the lesions? One is COC. COC is a very good answer. That COC you can see ghost cells. In ameloblastic fibroma, you can see ghost cells. You can write along with me. You can keep it as a note. Okay, so this is a very famous question, very important question. Which among the following is a ghost cell lesion, or which among the following show ghost cells? COC is there, ameloblastic fibroma is there. In odontomas, you can see ghost cells. In pilomatricoma, pilomatricoma is a tumor of your in appendages, okay, on the skin. Okay, it doesn't matter, but you should know pilomatricoma. In craniopharyngioma, you can see, and even in certain textbooks say that ameloblastoma can also show this ghost cells. Okay, this is very rare that you see ghost cell in ameloblastoma. It's a rare possibility, but in certain textbook it says that there is ghost cell in ameloblastoma. Now, those aspirants who are focused in INICET, INICET people, I told you that they usually ask the molecular level. So one question they have asked, the gene which is related to formation of ghost cells. Okay, formation of ghost cells. The gene mutation which is related to the formation of ghost cell, that is WNT beta catenin. Okay, so those aspirants who are very much interested to get into INICETs, okay, so INICET people, they usually ask the molecular level of things. Okay, so that is one thing. So we have discussed your COC. There is nothing much in the capsule. The most important part is your lining. Okay, lining, COC. So the Gorlin cyst, the usual site whether it is present, it can be associated with odontome, or it can be associated with impacted tooth, the radiographic feature, that radio opacities and all. Okay, and then comes your histology. Histology is the lumen lining. In the lining, the basal layers resembling ameloblast, stellate reticulum, ghost cells. Okay, and what are the other lesions we can see the ghost cell, and what is the theory or the molecular aspect behind this ghost cell? So this is the important part you should learn in a COC. I hope COC is clear to you. See you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.